Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of TANIUM Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Dakshita Jhala back with one more GD video. Before starting the video, I would request to our viewers, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press all the bell icons for new updates and new notifications. So today we are going to record a GD on a very interesting topic, common syllabus throughout Indian school. We have two brilliant spokesperson between us. One side Riya ma'am is here, another side Kushal sir is here. They both will discuss their points, exchange their questions, and if you guys have any question regarding their stuff, then please mention it down in the comment section and they will answer it laterwards. So who is going to initiate the GD? Okay. You are going to favor this topic.
Hello, my name is Kushal Vaishnav. I am the framing of this topic. I think the syllabus will have to be changed. If the syllabus will change, the students will get diversify their knowledge and they get many things to learn about their topics and syllabus also. My second point is this: if the syllabus won't be changed, then the students will get passed easily throughout the previous year's question paper. But it said that if nothing is ventured, nothing is gained. If they're taking help of the previous year question paper, they won't be work hard. If they work hard to the new syllabus, they will get much more information about many things and it will be help in their future. Thank you. That's my points. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
I appreciate your points, but I don't agree with it. The students who already prepare their exams, they will face many issues. What's your view?
If they won't be face the difficulty, how will be they prepare for the competitive exams?
But it takes a long time to prepare new things.
The new syllabus help them to get their competitive exam easily. It will be helpful in such ways.
But don't you think it will be stressful for the students?
Yeah, it's stressful, but we know that the competitive exam is increasing day by day.
Okay. Anything else? No? Okay, so nice points mentioned by you, Kushal sir. You are totally in the favor of this topic that syllabus should be changed so that students get prepared for the upcoming examinations. They should learn new things. If the syllabus would be changed, they will learn about new things. Very right, the students should learn about the new things because people have a defined knowledge with them and they work on that defined knowledge only. Most of the students don't want to work other than that defined knowledge. Alright? Okay, so Riya ma'am, you totally oppose this topic, right? Okay, so what are your views?
My name is Riya and I totally disagree with this topic. As we know, most of the students are dependent old question papers. They prepare better and easily for coming exams. My second point is that students become stressed out because of this, which affect their mental health and can lead to overall stability of academy. My third point is that if the syllabus would be changed, old paper become unwanted and can degrade their preparation for examination. My fourth point is that teachers have modified new questions, prepare again and it increase workload on that. That's all from my side. If you have any questions regarding me, then ask.
Well, you spoke very well, ma'am, but I oppose your points. If the syllabus won't be changed, then how will they get new information about the topics and helpful for them?
But every students have not same ability and capacity to learn new things.
You have any other question?
No.
Okay. So Riya ma'am, you are totally opposing this topic. Like Yes, most of the students have no same ability and capacity to learn new things again and again. Not every student can learn, because we see most of the students, they don't even have an interest in doing studies. They do study because of their either the family pressure or because just of the graduation degree, as it became necessary in today's time, right? But it is necessary to have new modifications, new challenges in the life. Otherwise, how you will come to know about your skills, your creativity? So if we conclude this topic, then yes, the syllabus should be changed, because if it won't change, then how you will come to know about your skills, your creativity, your mental ability? But somewhere I agree with her point also, that syllabus should not be changed, because not every student is that able to learn about more and more new things. It is enough for them whatever they have learned, right? And it's not only about the school syllabus, but yes, regarding irrespective of that, they have more skills which help them to go through this life, right? They can do many other things without doing studies also. We have so many courses nowadays, without doing study we can do that courses also. So this was all about this GD. If you guys have any question regarding their stuff, please mention it down in the comment section. They will answer it laterwards. And if you have any, if you want us to record a GD on any other new topic, then please mention that also in the comment section. We will record the GD laterwards. And we guys are also a learner, so if you think we have committed any mistake, then please mention that also in the comment section. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.